Hello to all my viewers. Myself, Dr. Vipin Goyal. I am Senior Surgical Oncologist and a Laparoscopic Surgeon at Care Hospital, Banjara Hills. Today I am here to discuss you about the treatment of carcinoma endometrium and for the benign diseases of the uterus. In history, if I go in the history of the surgery where we used to perform the hysterectomy, that is the removal of the uterus, we started with open surgery. That means we take an incision in the midline or lower abdomen and remove the uterus with or without ovary. This was the history where we used to perform the hysterectomy. As the time proceeded, we started performing the surgery vaginally, where there are no cuts and we remove the specimen through the vagina. And as the latest advances, we came with laparoscopy, where the laparoscopic surgery became a standard of care for hysterectomy. All the patients nowadays, if they are eligible for surgery, the best option is laparoscopy. So slowly after 2015, laparoscopic hysterectomy became a standard of care. Now, to perform a laparoscopic hysterectomy, two things are required: one, a good setup, and second, a skilled surgeon. But the problem here is there is no standardized steps which are defined for lap hysterectomy. So myself, with the help of Care Hospital, came with a new idea of introducing a new technique for performing the hysterectomy, which I name on myself, called Goyal technique of laparoscopic hysterectomy. In this technique, we have defined the 10 steps which, if we perform sequentially, the chances of complication reduces drastically. Here, we don't cut any structure until we visualize the structure and lateralize it, like the bladder anteriorly, the ureter laterally, and the rectum posteriorly. These are the well-defined steps, and the paper which I have published is published in the international journal and recognized worldwide. The aim of this paper is to reduce the complication rate so that the recovery is very fast and the patient is discharged as early as possible. The most worrisome thing in lap hysterectomy is injury to the surrounding structures. The uterus is surrounded by critical structures all over, like anteriorly there is a urinary bag, posteriorly there is a motion bag, and laterally there is a urinary tube through which the urine passes from kidney to the urinary bladder. So we have to complete the hysterectomy, that is removal of the uterus, without injuring all these steps. So in the technique which I have described, which you can easily see on the YouTube where I have uploaded also, you can see I have separated all the structures, that is bladder, rectum and ureter. Then we perform the hysterectomy. And coming to the learning curve, this is very easy surgery and any surgeon can see and learn the technique. So once we perform these defined steps, the chances of injury reduces drastically. Coming to the evidence, as this paper is already accepted in the international journal, we are coming with our standardized data which will show what are the chances of injury. In next 2 to 3 months, our data will be matured and we will be publishing our data. This is in short about the technique which we have invented or which we have discovered at Care Hospital, Banjara Hills, and name on myself, that is Goyal technique of hysterectomy. Thank you.